In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to validate a digital signature in Foxit Reader. If you've ever found yourself staring at a PDF, unsure of how to verify its authenticity, you've come to the right place. Let me guide you through this simple and straightforward process so you can feel confident about the documents you're working with. First things first, you'll want to open up the PDF document that contains the digital signature you need to validate. So, launch Foxit Reader on your device and find the file. Once you've got it opened, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, with the document open, it's time to locate the signature field. This is often a designated area within the PDF where the signature appears. Hover your mouse over this field and then give it a right-click. A context menu will promptly appear before you. On this list of options, you'll want to look for Validate Signature and go ahead and click on it. Alternatively, if you prefer using the toolbar, Foxit Reader has a handy Protect tab situated at the top of your screen. Click on this tab to reveal more options. You'll find a selection labeled Validate. Go ahead and select that option to initiate the validation process. Once you've selected Validate Signature or use the Protect tab, a new message box will pop up. This is called the Signature Validation Status message box, and it serves as your verification hub. The status box will provide you with the validity details of the signature in question. Now, what you're hoping to see here is a green check mark. This indicates that the signature is valid, and thus the document hasn't been altered since it was signed. This check mark is much more than just a visual cue. It's a signal of trust and authenticity. With this validation, you can be assured that the document comes from a legitimate source and hasn't been tampered with. This is especially important in professional or legal settings where accuracy and authenticity are crucial. And that's it. With just these few steps, you've efficiently validated a digital signature in Foxit Reader. It's a small but important step in ensuring the integrity of your documents. Digital signatures add a layer of security and professionalism that we all can appreciate in our increasingly digital world. So, the next time you encounter a PDF with a digital signature, you'll know exactly how to verify its authenticity, saving you both time and potential headaches. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our videos. Until next time, take care and keep your documents secure.